I'm up in Michigan, and I guess we can see that Detroit's written down here. That's where all of the population is, down in the corner. I'm way up in the opposite direction with a resort area up in northern Michigan where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. It's a great place. We love it here. See how I'm slowing down now as I get further and further down, closer to my finish shape of my bowl, slowing my pace down. Fast speed of the lathe, slow pace of my tool. I can't measure that now, so I'm just going to feel it. See where I'm at. I'm a little bit flat across the bottom, but that's pretty good arc already. Now I'm going to go get a brand new sharp tool. Again, I just sharpened a minute ago, but I'm going to get another one because this is a surface I'm going to have to sand. Pick up my bevel in front of the shoulder. There's a little whisk of a shaving, see it? So I'm going to continue that through. Now I've really slowed down, very, very slow. Got to wait for those fibers to come around. And even as I get closer and closer to the middle, I got to get slower and slower because the wood's going slower. So the pace across the center is very, very slow and end up in the middle. All right. See how I did. And so the tools that I create and the tools that I use and the methods that I use have a heavy dose of safety in them, and to do it the safest way possible. Promote it on your social media, if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here, and we'll see you in a few weeks.